Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for September 13th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair first. This pair broke to the downside, did create an inside bar during this last session. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 77.57, possibly as low as 76.43. Look for some resistance around 77.25 and look for some support around 76.75. Now the Euro USD pair, this pair closed down, but just by a little bit, created a doji bar. We are looking for this downward trend to continue. Look for it to potentially go up and hit resistance around 13800, possibly moving down and hitting support around 135.50. Now the pound US dollar pair still continuing to move to the downside. We are looking for it to potentially on a reversal go up and hit resistance around 15900. Possibly moving down and hitting support around 157.50. Now the US Swiss, this pair created a doji bar as well, closed up, but just by a little bit. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 0.8945, possibly as low as 0.8692. Look for some resistance around 0.8875 and look for some support around 0.8700. Now, as far as news announcements go, we have the pound releasing the jobless claims change for August at 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow morning. Consensus on that one is that it has dropped from 37.1K to 35.0K. We're also having we also have the U.S. advanced retail sales being released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time for August. Consensus on that one is that it has dropped from 0.5% to 0.2%. Luckily still in the positive territory though. We also have at 5 p.m. Eastern Time the Reserve Bank of New Zealand releasing their rate decision, and the consensus on that is that it's going to be held at 2.50%. Now as far as trades I'm looking at during this next session, the US Swiss, we have a swing trade opportunity that's been created over the past 3 sessions. If we get a dip below this, we could see some movement to the downside. Basically looking for a short below 0.8777 and looking for it to go down to 0.8707, about a 70 pip move to the downside. All right, let's take a look at the US-Japanese yen pair. We have an inside bar that's been created. Potential for a short below the low. I don't think we're going to get to the high. If we do look to grab about 10 pips there off of this trade, looking to short around the 76.74 mark and looking to exit around 76.63. So looking to grab about 10 pips off of that one. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.